Raids premises of Nirmal Singh Bhangu's daughter, associate. Published by Money Life. The Delhi Zonal Office of the Directorate of Enforcement, DED, conducted search operations at 3 premises in Gurgaon under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, PMLA, 2002. The premises searched on the 23rd of March 2025 belonged to Barinder Kaur, daughter of PACL founder late Nirmal Singh Bhangu and her associate Manoj Kumar. Manoj Kumar is identified as a close associate of Ms. Kaur and her husband Harsatinder Pal Singh. The raids, carried out on the 23rd of March 2025, are part of an ongoing investigation into the massive 48,000 crore rupees PACL fraud case. DED, Delhi Zonal Office has conducted search operations on the 23rd of March 2025 at the premises of SMT Barinder Kaur, daughter of late Nirmal Singh Bhangu, and Manoj Kumar, close associate of Harsatinder Pal Singh and SMT Barinder Kaur, in connection with the MSPACL fraud case. During the operations, officials seized significant evidence, including digital records and property documents linked to PACL and its affiliates. ED has stated that further investigations into the scam are ongoing. The investigation stems from a first information report, FIR, registered by the Banking and Securities Fraud Cell, BSFC, of Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, under sections 120B, Criminal Conspiracy, and 420, Cheating, of the Indian Penal Code, IPC, 1860, against PACL India Limited, PGF Limited, and key accused, including Nirmal Singh Bhangu. The companies and individuals involved are alleged to have operated fraudulent investment schemes, deceiving thousands of investors. As part of the probe, Harsatinder Pal Singh, the son-in-law of the late Mr. Bhangu, was arrested on the 21st of March 2025 and has been remanded to ED custody by a special court. The PACL fraud case is considered one of India's largest financial scams, with lakhs of investors allegedly defrauded through deceitful investment schemes. In February 2019, a committee headed by retired Justice, RETD, Roon Lodha, which is supervising the Supreme Court, SC, ordered process of selling PACL's assets, initiated the process of refunds in phases for investors who had invested in PACL. PACL, or Pearls, is one of the largest Ponzi schemes in India which had been allowed to run for decades, amassing over 60,000 crore rupees. The committee asked PACL investors to submit online applications for refunds. The Lodha committee has been processing applications received from investors in a phased manner, slab-wise, and, currently, applications with claim amount up to 10,000 rupees have been processed and payments have been made in respect of eligible claim applications. The documents uploaded by the PACL investors are verified and then payment amount is calculated, applications processed then, subsequently, payments are processed. The mobilization of funds by PACL goes back prior to 1997. On receipt of a complaint, Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, on the 30th of November 1999 and the 10th of December 1999 issued letters asking PACL to comply with the provisions of the Collective Investment Scheme, CIA's, regulations. In September 2018, ED filed a charge sheet against PACL and its chief Nirmal Singh Bhangu in connection with a Ponzi scam involving over 49,100 crore rupees, which was collected allegedly by 2 companies from millions of investors. The ED, which started the probe after lodging in First Information Report, FIR, in 2015 based on the CBI's case, had, in January 2018, attached Australia-based assets of the Pearls Group and Mr. Bhangu worth 472 crore rupees. Mr. Bhangu, his companies PACL and Pearls Golden Forest Limited, PGFL, as well as several thousands of his commission agents were accused of cheating 55 million investors on the pretext of sale and development of agriculture land. The companies made false allotments of land to investors. However, the companies never owned any land in their own name. Mr. Bhangu and his companies promised the investors that allotment would be done on their investment between 90 and 270 days and, if not, handsome returns would be paid.